Hi there, in this video I'm going to show you how to replace the glove box bulb in an A4 B8 from 2010. Okay, so first thing that you need, flathead screwdriver, and from this side, let me see if I can film it there. You can see we have a tiny slit in there. Put the flathead and rotate it, and it will pop out this light fixture. Weirdly enough, seems part of it actually remained inside. So what's up with that? This isn't how this thing should come out. It's missing the upper half of the plastic. What? Let me try and put it back in. So I'm guessing somebody had a go at it at some point in time, and they didn't actually close it properly. This might give me a big problem. Yeah, let me try and pull it out slowly. Yikes. I don't like this situation at all, honestly. Let me investigate a little bit. Okay, so no, this thing doesn't look like the ones from the doors. It was just my wrong opinion. So I will wait for it to time out, and I need to get this white plastic off of it, and I think it has some clips on the side. That's about it. But the wire is extremely short, so this will be quite annoying to do. But hey, there's that. This is the bulb that I'm putting in. It has chips, LED chips only on one side, because the light only comes in one direction, which is perfect. It's not polarity dependent, so that is also good in this particular case. This is its model, it's a W5W T10 if you want, same thing. Well, okay, surprise, I think this is the first bulb that I find in this car that is not temporized, and if it's something wrong, it will just work forever and ever until it drains your battery. Or maybe when the car goes to sleep, it turns it off, but it doesn't have a timer specifically for this bulb as it has for the interior ones, for the door ones, and others. So let me use this plastic tool, and it's really hard for you to see. Try to undo this side. You can see I'm pushing it out, so I think it has one clip on this side and one on the other, but because my bulb is still working and I'm not just replacing a burnt up one, I'm actually upgrading, this will be extremely hot. So yeah, let me undo this top part, make sure you do not break it, and get back to you, because this will probably burn my fingers. And once you are in here, it's the same drill as for the doors. With a plastic tool you can push the bulb down. I hope it's going to work to show you. And yeah, something happened and the bulb popped out and it's in here. So there's that, and for sure it's burning. So now let me put in my LED bulb, but also bear in mind all of this metal is extremely hot, because these bulbs get extremely hot, so I can burn my fingers. I will let it cool off and make sure I don't short anything when I put my my LED bulb in, because if I short anything, this is life, and we might break something, so that's not going to be fun. And it's in. As you can see, light only coming from the underside of this particular LED bulb. We are not wasting anything, it's quite bright. We just need to clip this thing back on, obviously. Yeah, I'm not going to be able to do this with my left hand. And then push this thing back in its hole. And the cover is on, and at this point let's try and squeeze this thing back in its place without putting pressure on the wrong things in here. So everything is still okay. Yes, the cover is on. Oh, sorry, not giving you a direct view of what you need. Cover is on, and this thing is not heating up at all. So from temperature point of view, much safer and obviously brighter. And I cannot see a thing because I looked into that. Anyway, that's that. Hope this video helps you, in which case please give it a like, check out my other videos, and as always, see you in the next one. Bye.